Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to add elements to a page on your website. So what you do here, I'm starting with a blank page. Right here, if you hover over add elements, there's going to be a plus button. Once you click that plus button, there's going to be a sidebar with every single element that you're going to be able to add to your website. And there's also, if you are creating a new section, you can also utilize the Flatsome Studio by clicking into here, and a bunch of different templates are going to show up, and you can preview them, and if you like them, you click import, and it's going to import all of those elements onto the page, which you can then edit yourself and get rid of the demo text. So this is how to add any elements to a page. But let's say you wanted to add any element to an existing page. So we're going to go out of the UX Builder, go to our pages, and I'm going to edit the About page with the UX Builder. Now let's say I wanted to add an element right in between these two sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the area that I want to add a new element to, and let's say I'm going to add a new section. So I'm going to hover over until the blue bar reaches the entire width and this plus button comes up, and then it's going to allow me to enter a new section right here. Now let's say I wanted to actually add another button right here. You would hover over this area, and this plus button is going to show up right under the text box, and if I click on that, some more elements are going to, or the element tab is going to show up, and you can click button, and then it's going to add the button right next to this one. So the bottom line is just keep hovering, and then wherever you want to add a new element, the plus button is going to show up where it's going to be added to. So you can add it above this text box, and then right here you can add it below this banner image. So bottom line, keep hovering, and then if you see a plus button, that's where you're able to add a new element to. Alright, thank you.